cabins were built by the Civilian Conservation Corps back in the day, back in the 30s, and they're still going strong. You may or may not be able to see. There is smoke pouring from the chimney there, so someone is obviously in there enjoying it. But that one sits right on the edge of the overlook here, near the trailhead, and virtually on top of White Rock Mountain. Hey everybody, it's the Saturday Adventure. I'm nearly at the peak of White Rock Mountain, and it's named from these rocks that you see behind me from a distance. They look snowy white, and this is one of the highest points in the state of Arkansas, and it is a terrific view of the Ozark Mountains down here, pretty close to Interstate 40 and near the Mulberry River, but just a beautiful area. And I got to tell you, to get here, you really have to want to get here. I traveled a good 15 miles or so of rugged forest access type roads. I'm glad I'm here. I'm going to take some pictures from the top, eat a little bit of lunch, and hopefully capture some of this view that the likes of which I have not seen even at the Buffalo River. So more pictures to come, and man, looking good. This is, without a doubt, one of the most spectacular views in the state of Arkansas. My GPS a little while ago said about 2,200 and roughly 30 feet or so, and which is a pretty good height for this state. It's not Mount Everest, but it's a pretty decent climb getting up here, and lots of fun, even on a very spring-like last day of 2011. So I just finished my lunch up on the top and enjoyed terrific 360-degree views, and I'm going to head back down now to Shore Lake and see about maybe hiking the loop trail around the lake.